you've been in the fitness world for long enough, you've probably seen a lot of content from these influencers who will be talking about, oh yeah, I've tried this supplement because this supplement is great. And by the way, if you want to try it, use my coupon link in the description, get 20% off and all this stuff. And I think a lot of the time these influencers are just like yapping so that they can like make a sale, get some money. And I don't blame them. I respect the hustle, whatever. But I think that the way that supplements are marketed to a lot of people, it makes people think that supplements are something that they're not really. So as a guy who's tried and experimented with a lot of different supplements to like reach his fitness goal, I just want to give you like the raw truth about them. So in case you don't know who I am, I'm Neal. I made the transformation from being a really skinny guy to now having a lot more muscle. I make videos like this to help younger guys who just want to transform their physiques a lot faster than I was able to. Now, very much like you, I've seen like a lot of the supplements that will be advertised to you, like things like creatine, pre-workout, or vitamins, or just all sorts of things, essentially. I've tried a lot of things. And the truth is, yes, they do work. They are effective. They will get you some results, but it really depends why you're actually taking the supplement. Because younger me, my mindset going into it, I was kind of thinking of supplements like a cheat code, like, oh, if I can take this creatine or this pre-workout and like this protein powder, I'm going to be able to build a lot more muscle because like I was very skinny then. I can build a lot more muscle. I'll be able to get bigger way faster. This is going to be awesome. I tried it out. I made some marginal gains, like some minor improvements, but it wasn't that much. I was still pretty happy with it because it was progress, but it just wasn't that much. It wasn't really what I was expecting. It was only once I got the fundamentals down that I actually started making progress. And then I realized, wait, I don't actually need these supplements. I just needed to take care of my fundamentals. Like for me, I had to bulk up. And as like part of that, a big part of that is just like eating a lot more food. And that was one of the fundamentals that I was missing out on. I just wasn't eating enough calories. Thus, I wasn't able to build as much muscle as I wanted to, as fast as I wanted to. And I was looking for supplements to do that for me. But obviously, supplements can only do so much. What I'm trying to say is that whatever your fitness goal is, you have to just make sure that you're taking care of the fundamentals, because once you take care of the basics should get you to like point A to point B. Like you shouldn't even need supplements, if I'm being honest. Whatever your fitness goal is, whether you're trying to bulk up, lose weight, or just like increase your performance for sports, by taking care of the basics, you are going to like get from point A to point B. And then supplements can kind of just like be this nice extra add-on. Oh yeah, make you feel a little bit better. Maybe fuel your workouts a little bit more, make you look a little bit bigger. Cool. But supplements should not be the thing, like you shouldn't look as supplements as the answer. That's like, if you're stuck right now, you shouldn't look at it as the answer of like, oh, once I take the supplement, then I'm going to finally start making progress. That's usually not how it works. Like, if you have the fundamentals down, okay, yeah, you can take some creatine because, it hydrates your muscles, make you look a little like bigger, whatever. Cool. That's awesome. If, you're already taking care of the fundamentals, you're eating right, you're working out right, you're getting your recovery. Okay. If you want to add some pre-workout because, you just want to fuel your workouts, make it a little better. Cool. But by handling the fundamentals, you should already be making progress to your goals. And again, the supplements are just an added on cherry on top. So if you're taking supplements because you're not making the progress towards your fitness goals, I highly recommend you just avoid supplements right now. Don't worry about that. Go back to the basics, find out what you're doing wrong, find out what you can improve on the basics. And then once you actually start making progress, then you can start considering supplements. It's something that I wish I knew like a lot earlier, because I spent way too much time just like spending a bunch of money and like time researching all these supplements that I thought were the answer, but they really weren't the answer. Again, just cover the fundamentals. You should be able to, get there just by like taking care of those fundamentals. Supplements are just an add-on. Now, there are some exceptions to this. Like some people may be on a vegan diet and they're trying to like get all their proteins, and it's kind of like harder when you're on a vegan diet because some of these plants just don't have like complete proteins or whatever, or maybe you're just like clinically deficient in some like vitamin and you need to like take supplements for that. There are like some exceptions, but even with that, it's just way better to like naturally get whatever you need rather than like having to supplement it. That's just my opinion, but it is what it is for some people. But like for most guys, that's just not going to be the case. For most guys, you're just looking for a supplement to like be the answer, when the truth is you just need to take care of some of the fundamentals. So if you've watched this far, I can tell that you're fairly serious about and just improving your fitness. So if you want to, you can click the first link in the description. It'll take you to one of my free training videos. It's for guys who are like kind of skinnier, want to transform their physique, build a lot more muscle. So it's there for you if you want it. And remember, if you want things to change for the better, it starts with you. Peace out.